up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Christina. We're all about fitness and health here. If you're not new, welcome back. I missed you. Did you miss me? Because I missed you.
What a wonderful world.
Today's video is just going to be about making a detox cabbage soup. Honestly, if you know me, I ain't about the diet life like that. I mean, I'm about the diet life, but I don't call it a diet. I don't like that. You're going to change things. You're going to make it a whole ass lifestyle. But I have read an unbelievable amount of things about this detox diet soup that people are doing. And low-key, I just want soup. And I want something that tastes good and it's healthy. So maybe I can incorporate this into my life, because you know what? Half a cup of cabbage has 6% of your daily fiber needs. Did you know that? Today's meal is gonna be like packed in fiber. If you didn't know, cabbage actually has a lot of properties that helps get rid of excess toxins from your body. So pretty much it helps detox the liver and the colon. Honestly, the word detox, again, I fucking hate it, but it's a word. You know what? It helps get rid of things out of your body. And so you know what? So what? Fuck it. The life. We are gonna do this today. Okay, so this is everything that I am including. So we have the cabbage here. We have some carrots. The recipe did not call for zucchini, but hashtag we like zucchini. I got some celery sticks, onion, garlic, frozen bell peppers. I got some of this. You know, this doesn't ask for it either, but you know what? I like it. Some salt. I'm using this as the broth. This is what I'm using. And then basil, oregano, and then pepper. So let's get this going. This is just an FYI, okay? Everything is going to be in the description down below, okay? Because I'm going to be recording myself cutting. I'm not going to be talking. So you're going to watch me make this, and then we're going to see if this is fucking bomb.com. Because if it's not, just throw it away. I love cabbage, so let's hope this is good. Yummy in my tummy. It smells unbelievably good. This is good. Totally add this into my meal plan. If this is something that you like, something that you like to eat, if you love to eat soups, yo, this is bomb.com. All right, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. If you guys want me to make more meals like this, or any kind of meals in general, any healthy meals, any things that you guys see online that you've never tried yourself and want me to make it so you don't have to waste your time, go ahead and drop it down below in the comments. Don't forget, everything's going to be in the description down below. All right, I'm out of here. I'm about to go eat. Bye.
What a wonderful world.